Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and today I'm going to be showing you my shoe collection. The first pair of shoes that I want to show you are my loafers. They're a little bit beat up around the edges if you can tell, but I just recently got them from my grandmother and they're really easy to pair with like super laid back outfits just to go to the grocery store or run errands. And yeah, I really like them. These heels are something else. Look at this. You either love them or you hate them, and I'm not entirely sure which category I fall into. I think I love them just because they're black and I can pair them with a lot of things to add a little bit of an edge to an outfit. I love the platform. These heels are super unique, and I actually got these at Value Village for $5, I believe. This next pair of heels I absolutely love. Catch me not being able to walk in them because they don't fit me at all. I love how they look and I figured I could use them for Instagram photos or even styling videos and lookbooks. So I'm going to hold on to them, but they're absolutely adorable and I really wish they fit me. I actually had a pair of shoes like this in 8th grade. I ended up getting these from a local thrift store and I haven't been wearing them a lot recently. I don't know how to feel about these heels. They aren't very comfortable, but I'm definitely going to be trying to style these more often because they are really cute. I cannot walk in heels, but I bought these because they were at the thrift store, I believe for $8, and I thought that I could miraculously learn how to walk in heels for graduation. I think they're really cute and I'm definitely going to be trying to learn how to walk in these. These shoes are really cute. They pair with a lot of my summery outfits. They're pretty easy to walk in and they don't really hurt my feet, so these are an A+ for me. If you were subscribed to me like a year ago, or actually, you know, it was probably more like 2 years ago, I posted a video of me actually making a music video to the song Dancing Queen and I wore these shoes in it. They were extremely painful to move around in, but they worked really well for the vibe of the video and it's since been privated because I feel like it was kind of trash, but these shoes are adorable and very Woodstock-esque. Speaking of Woodstock vibes, I am now going to go into the boots and I'm going to show you probably my favorite pair of shoes that I own. And that is these shoes. I absolutely love them. I was actually wearing them with this outfit earlier and I just felt very aggressively 70s and I wasn't upset by that at all. I know that everybody has a pair of Dog Martens in their shoe collection, especially trendy bitches like me, but I honestly really love them. They're so good for dressing down an outfit. Next I have this cute little pair of booties. I haven't really been wearing them. I don't know if that is my furry sister. No more comments. You have seen these boots before. I think I prefer my dogs, but these ones, since they have a zipper, are a lot easier to take on and off. These are the flats that I wore at my graduation. They're a little bit small on me, but they match most of my outfits, and I don't really have like a solid pair of flats, so for now I'm just going to stick with these, and then whenever I find another pair that I like more, I will switch over to those. Don't judge me for these. I don't know how I feel about them. I got them from my grandmother, and they fit really well. I was thinking maybe I could pull like a Jess from New Girl sort of vibe and wear them with socks. I don't know how they're gonna work. I don't know how I feel about the bow detail. My boyfriend actually said like black Legos were glued on them, so I don't know. We'll see how that works. This pair of flats is actually from Cuba, and I kind of also feel like this gives me like Woodstock baseball vibes. I don't really know. I think it's like the stitching that kind of looks like a baseball glove, maybe. I don't know. I actually got these shoes from my sister. It basically ties up the leg. I always wanted a pair of shoes like this, but I've never actually worn them out because I can never get the tie detail to stay up. I'm going to start off my sneakers with my Vans. I have had these Vans since 9th grade, and you can definitely tell they're very worn. I actually bought these shoes for my job at an amusement park whenever I first started in 10th grade. These are my new pair of sneakers. I really like them. They're actually a lot more comfortable than my other ones. I also really like that they don't lace up, so I can just slide them on and off. They're kind of like a sock. Now for my Reeboks. I love these things. You can already tell that they are wearing thin. I actually just got them a few months ago, which just shows you how much I love these. I actually have another pair of white sneakers. The issue with these ones is that they are too small on me. I got them at Goodwill and I absolutely love them because they have a little heart detail right here that I just think is really cute. So I'm keeping them mostly for Instagram photos, but I'm not entirely sure if they're the most practical shoe to own. I have these shoes. I really like them. They fit very nicely, and I am a fan of Vans, so I might hold on to them and just... Okay, I think I finished. Nope, round 2. Okay guys, those were all of my shoes. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I hope you found something useful within all of me bragging about what I own, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!